so I can do it. Oops.
Kittens and pups, hi there. This is my reaction video to our ridiculous and strange fellows. Follow me. Climbing is probably not for me. I wonder what is there. Oh, a pack of balloons is chasing me. I want this stick, and so I will get it. Know that I will take it from you. Sunbathing at the edge of the pool is a dangerous business, you know.
So need to urgently lose weight for the holidays. On a second thought, screw that. When the first teeth grow, only cartoons on the iPad can help. Debbie, smile, I'm photographing you. Come on, Debbie, cheer up, please.
What? Does he want something?
It seems that this dog thinks that he is a bird and howls a nest here. The imitation of a walk on the streets during a pandemic.
Let's run, run, do not stop, splash, and run again. A few laps around the pool and then we'll swim again. Mine.
Oh yes, that is what you need from a headache. These jumps in atmospheric pressure make themselves felt. Walking your llama, not expensive, high quality, got good reviews. Well, I'm not sleeping on the edge anymore. If you want to get success, then do what others do not. Yeah, brother. Well done. High five.
Yeah, I'm already coming. Yep, I'm coming. See, I'm going.
So don't stop. Train faster. Swing the paws of the champion.
Hey, get down the fiddling.
When first looked in the mirror after plastic surgery. Wow, cool. Is this virtual reality glasses? Gosh, everything is so interesting. Is this almost a drift night? Okay, I go to normal movement mode. The best and most delicious bone, which is your own. I know that the owner of this bone is handsome. Bone, I love you. Who the hell are you? Come here, I'll find you. Where do you disappear all the time, eh? Tousle just like me. Why are you mimicking me? I'll find you. How inconvenient to scratch your tailbone when you're a dog. Let me pretend I'm dancing. As already mentioned, for a real cat, there are no barriers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. So there is something impossible? Did I show you how the doctor bleached my teeth? Am I a beauty right now, am I?
The favorite of chicks. None of them passed unnoticed. But I'll stand here for some time. Those hugs, they're so pleasant.
How much does a dog need to be happy? Not much in my opinion. The main thing that there must be is fun.
Hey, Master, look. Look what I learned while you were at work. Huh? Isn't it the best slide you've seen?
I got it.
What is it? Oh no, it means the mistress went on a diet.
What a strange, bright insect. Why are you here? Stop. Don't move. I cannot catch him no matter what.
the paradise of cat lovers and the hell of dog lovers.
They told me only that it was impossible to bite your own elbow, but nobody warned me that I cannot bite my own tail.
Neighbor?
Better to play dead than to submit.
I wanted to take lunch with me for a walk, but he crumbled along the way. I don't have my lunch anymore.
Why make such a narrow door? How can I go through with a stick now? Come on, share it. No matter that I'm so small, I can take this bone.
We must hold on to the branches. We must hold on to the branches. Ah, I couldn't do it.
Patton.
I have a very silly habit to smile every time my mom calls my name. It's so tiresome.
Patton. Patton. Pat.
Joint sport with the master is the best sport in the world.
What? Am I on my 13th birthday already? So quickly a third of my life passed? I didn't even have time to jump with the parachute yet. And I've never ridden a snowboard. Time flying away so fast.
Let me out! I want to go outside.
Rock, paper, scissors. Who lost, he leaves. I have scissors, and you? Paper. I go now.
Baby swaddling exercise on a kitten.
That look, when you want something to beg from your dad, but he is not supposed to agree.
And now, the relaxing movement. Shake off all the fatigue accumulated during the day. We part completely with it.
We do the exercise until we feel that. If you're relaxed, you can finish the exercise. Hello? Hello to you too. Hello? Why don't they answer to me?
When you just cannot wait to see your master.
When you're trying to save another stick from drowning, some of them trying to resist. Don't know why.
Come on. Come on. Good girl.
I am a navigator. I have to see the road and the driver. Yes, I'm comfortable here. No, I will not move. Be attentive, dude.
Who is he?
Master, help. I saw you are washing your things here. I also wanted to swim, but now I'm scared. Get me out of here. Oh no, am I walking over the abyss? Well, I just remembered that I was afraid of heights.
Buddy, catch it. Al? Whoa.
If we imagine that this green grass is the sea, then these dogs are real dolphins. The only reason you should beware this dog is because you lose motivation to be fit next to him.
Beloved, I'm so happy that we're alone here. Oops, how did she end up here?
There are no barriers for a real cat.
Cunning plan in action. Put the cat box on the floor. Got you.
The wind whispers in my lips. Running with weight strengthens muscles and teaches balance while moving.
Mommy, save me. Some woman took me in her hands. Mommy, I'm waiting for you.
Hey guys, I was just thinking if, by any chance that we might get some, hugs maybe? Dad, it's tickling. Don't do that. I'm sleeping.
afraid of grass, so I'll lie on you instead, okay? Let's shake hands, baby.
Good girl. Good girl.
Facial massage for youth and health.
Give me the stick, master. Any stick is important, any size is good. And don't even try to take it from me. I won't give it to anyone.
Ooh, yummy. Do you need to catch it? Something does not work. I don't understand. Maybe the brother will catch, so his results are not very well either. We must try to catch it. Ooh, snatched a bit.